Coming in hot, Mike. Woo! We're exiting the highway quick. Alright, so we got a Jeep that I came in last night and grabbed the guy out of with the JK. I knew it was going to take some welding and some work to get it out, so I figured we'd come in during the daylight and get it out. We got Sean and the customer and the JK behind us. Me and Mike are here. We are rocking along in Old Blue because it is raining outside. Refer back to a couple videos ago when me and Mike froze to death on El Red in the record. So we're taking Old Blue today. I'm just in a great mood. This is so much fun.
I died a little inside.
Yeah, I think we can repair it in place, drive it out, get it down to the shop, do a little more work to it. So yeah, here we go.
And a Merrimack. Let's see what happened. Oh, there it is. Yeah, the track bar mount gave up.
It's a long ways out here.
Dude, I know.
It's a nice day today.
Dude, I love it. I love the snow.
Yeah, tore off like normal.
Look at that. Get a zoom up. Zoom in on that. Look at that. Boom, bada, bang.
Bet we didn't bring
Got one.
impact.
Yes. So you're saying there's a chance?
Okay, if we can burn that and then set it down the rest of the way and push it over, and that thing's together.
You said so it won't happen again?
Yeah, that's what we'll do at the shop.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because...
We put a bracket, put a gusset right here to right there.
Yeah.
Then this is where it's supposed to be. And then when they put a lift, they move it up there. And it just puts more leverage on that factory bracket. They just kink until it rips it off.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's back together. We welded it up. We're gonna get it back to the shop, do a little more reinforcement on there so he never has to worry about that again. And then send it down the road.
So my friend Johnny, he was up this way somewhere, and he almost slid off the road, but not quite.
So we're gonna cruise up here, look at it, get him back on dry ground and get him out of there.
All right, we see the vehicle. It is right there.
Oh, yes. It is.
Hey, Matt.
Yeah, so you're driving along, and I see there's some tracks here where things got weird.
I put it in four-wheel drive like you do, and then I drove up here, and then it just started sliding that way, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna walk home.
Yeah, definitely an edge.
Bad news bears.
I'm gonna come off of that tree
That tree.
and I wanna go right over to his rock slider. And I'm gonna give a little bit of tug. And then we're slowly gonna work back and pendulum off of that tree. All right, Johnny.
Yep.
Jump in it.
Gonna lead by example here.
I'm gonna turn around without a front dig.
Cool. Well, later, man.
You guys gonna go back to work?
Yeah, you know, work. That's what we do. Yeah, this is exactly where I was with the Blazer for the Thanksgiving special. Right there. See this stack of rocks?
Yep.
That's where my jack was.
That's funny.
Yep, this is the spot.
We both walked from the same spot.
Yeah. Yeah. I had to walk home from this situation as well.
Okay, the first thing to discuss on this is, you know that this is forever changed scary movies. There's no more chainsaw starting. There's no run, run. The suspense is all gone. See?
Yeah, completely unexciting. Don't! Aww, sad story.
That way. Yeah, well, we are that now.
How's it work?
Yeah, it works great.
Oh, Mike has firewood.
Oh yes. Here we go.
Got grass in my nose.